pattern. See, this is curve driven pattern. What exactly this? So let's see what exactly this. For curve driven pattern, we will create one path, then we will make a pattern. So first select this top surface, sketch, normal, go to sketch and choose any rectangle shape. Okay, now just extrude it. Select up through all, or select blind up to this portion. Okay, now see, we created one pattern. Now again select this sketch, this surface, select sketch, normal, and create your path with the help of spline. Just create your path with the help of spline. That's it. Now you can continue this path up to here. Okay. Now we will try, just exit from this sketch. Now we will try curve driven pattern. So go to feature and select curve driven pattern. Now see, in direction 1 the path is already selected, and we need suppose 20 number of patterns, and select the sketch what you want or pattern. So select your extruded cut in pattern, select this 10 number, let's say, and distance, keep equal distance, better define some distance. Now we selected this, select OK. Now it is showing not curve driven pattern failed to generate. So just reverse the direction. See, this direction, this side we want our path is opposite direction, so just make opposite direction. See, our pattern going through this path, just increase the distance. Select OK. Now hide this line. Now see, we created our pattern with the help of curve pattern. I hope you enjoyed this.